Imagine a business qualification that not only equips you with academic knowledge, but also sharpens your skills for real-world success. This is exactly what Pearson Higher National Diploma in Business offers. Recognized globally, this undergraduate program bridges the gap between classroom learning and workplace demands. It gives you the confidence to step into the business world with purpose and direction. Whether you aim to study internationally or launch your own startup or lead within major corporations, this qualification is your powerful first step. The program spans 2 academic years and each year built on the last. We help you transition smoothly from foundational business knowledge to advanced specialized expertise. In year 1, we focus on your core foundation. You will dive into areas like contemporary business environment, marketing planning, human resources, and entrepreneurial ventures. Whereas in year 2, you will move into specialization and advanced practices. This is where you will tackle organizational behavior, business strategy, digital marketing, and a dedicated research project. These carefully curated units ensure that you gain practical insights to apply strategies into real world and solve problems. We offer multiple specialized pathways to cater the evolving demand of the industry. You can choose to master accounting and finance or develop leadership skills in business management. Perhaps you want to explore human resource management or dive into creative strategies with marketing. We even offer a pathway for entrepreneurship and small business management for those who are ready to build their own legacy. Employers highly value our graduates for their knowledge, skills, and strategic thinking. Upon completion, you will be ready for the job market. Apart from being job ready, you can also directly progress to the final years of UK Honours degree or international university. We welcome applicants from diverse educational backgrounds. Whether you have an A-level qualification, a BTech Level 3, or relevant experience, motivated individuals have a place here. You will learn from the highly qualified faculty having real industry experiences. Our modern classroom provides a state-of-the-art learning environment. We integrate a global perspective in our curriculum and provide robust student support services. Above all, we foster a culture of innovation that nurtures future leaders and change makers. In the world where adaptability and skills are rewarded, this program offers a transformative experience. As ICE, your academic partner, we don't just create the future, we help you shape it. Do not just chase opportunities, create them. Choose Pearson as your undergrad program. Choose ICE, your future. Start now.